sick, I mean sick. So I don't feel too 100 right now. And this is why I heard to eat out if I say, yay! Okay, so Arissa's in the change room. We're waiting for her to change. And yeah. So, now, turn around. He found a winning outfit that she's going to be wearing today, so I am going to be her photographer today. I'm also going to be her hairstylist, her makeup artist, and her actual stylist as well. So I'll be everything in one. This is the before. Stand up, let everybody see the before. So this is the before. Glam up. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Can I take a picture? Move! Let me light it up.
You're supposed to close your eyes.
Okay. Wait, let's wish together.
Thank God. Oh, let there be light. There he goes. There you go. Hi, Papa. Hurry up. Cake. Yum. Wait. How was your birthday? How did you enjoy yourself?
So good.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Good morning. We are getting ready to head out. Oh, Lord. Yeah, there's the birthday girl. Yeah, so I did her hair. Well, gonna go touch it up later for her. Papa's going swimming, so she's coming because today is, well, it's a school day, but my kids don't go to school on their birthday. Yeah, I always say that is a day that you celebrate. And from they've been little till now, I've never gone to work or gone to school on my birthday. Yeah. And it's just something sentimental, you know. Just like you take one day out of every week for your Sabbath, one day out of the year for your birthday. It's a special day because that's the only time you come into this earth, and then the only other day, well, is when you leave this earth. So I always tell people, enjoy that day. Even if you're just laying down at home, it's better to do that than not to do nothing. So, yeah, come along with us. So we're literally on our way. Yeah. Pops around back or so around there. Oh, Lord. I didn't even bother to do nothing with my hair because it's going to get wet up anyways. I have to go wash it. Oh, I have to go wash it later. An event coming up this Friday that I gotta go to as well, so I have to make sure that my hair is washed anyways, because anytime I go do swimming lessons with Pops, I always make sure my hair wash. I come home and wash my hair because the chlorine and stuff, it will literally damage your hair. I will catch you guys when we reach. Yeah, maybe I'll get Arissa to record, yeah, a little bit when we go swimming. Papa, you ready? Are you ready, Papa? You ready? I know you can smell the chlorine. It smells strong. Huh? Are you ready to go swimming? Okay, so we pretty much reached. We're going to go change. Oh, they're doing yoga in there. So we're going to go change and come back. Yeah, they have air hockey there. Okay, and in there they play tennis too and badminton. All right, so we're gonna go change and come back to reach the change room.
You're gonna get right into it. No breaks. Okay, let's come into your side swing position. We'll go around in a big circle. And Michael, go around in a
Yeah, Pop had a rough day, guys.
Hello. Rachel, are you doing? My name is Asia. Can I help you?
Hi, can I get a 2 Whopper combo, please?
2 Whopper combos.
What do you want, Rissa? What drinks? Can I get 2 Sprites? And can you turn one of the fries into a poutine, please?
Nice.
Could you put one of the fries into a poutine?
I'll make one of the bread. The bread a poutine.
Yes, please.
Okay, no problem. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, yeah, Pops didn't do so well today because the water was cold. Even I was freezing. He got in the water and he was like literally trembling. He's like, he was literally trembling. And so what I'm gonna have to do, I'm going to have to check out a wetsuit for him. I don't know where I'm gonna find a baby wetsuit, but I'm gonna have to see. What?
Hey, leave it. Ain't gonna make it
Find
so
it.
still.
I could find. Hi.
2 Whopper combos, one's on the fry and the one's on poutine.
Yes.
2030.
Yeah, but
Please wait for your receipt. Measure once you have the receipt.
okay.
Thank you and have a lovely day.
Thank you. You too. I need it anyways. Gosh. I remember when you used to used to buy these things and they used to be like a combo. You could get 2 combo for like under under 15 bucks. Yeah, a 2 combo. Now 2 of them, it's over
Do you have a cup holder?
$15.
Oh, you do.
Yeah, you didn't know there was a cup holder
That's why I
there.
put this down.
Yeah.
I don't even know one.
So, but okay, so we're gonna go eat. Let me see, you guys can see my face. That's all. Yeah, so we are going to eat, and then after, yeah, so we're gonna go eat, and then after we eat, I'm gonna go look something for Arissa for her birthday, and yeah, I wonder if I brought it right there. And then I gotta go pick up her cake. Coming soon to help produce. Oh, I said I'm sorry, said I run out of time. Oh. Pop singing. See, he's much better, guys. He was just having such a hard time. Like, he was literally screaming. But it wasn't him alone, it was him and some other kids too were like literally screaming in the pool. But mostly him. Of course it's mostly him screaming. Oh. Oh. I feel like a wet rat. Oh, maybe I could park at the end. Oh, thank you. Sorry, I didn't see that. Here, so. Thank you. Nice. I'll just put this over here. Here, have straw.
That's mine. Don't touch it.
No. Guys, I don't even know. What's the temperature? It's 5 outside. Like, we're almost in May. Another what? 2 weeks and we're in May. Yeah. It's so cold. try not to eat out too
You have
much,
your
like
bottle.
fast
You can
food.
drink your bottle.
He doesn't want that. He wants what you have.
I can give him some?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh gosh. And when I give it a fries, okay, I'll give you fries from mine so you can give him. He loves the fries. I didn't even bring his tablet so he could have watched the show while we're gonna eat. But
Like,
that's okay.
right? It's mine. It's not even yours.
He's like, gimme.
Let it go.
Thank you. Oops. Oh, all right. Let me just reverse and park right here.
Delicious.
Oh, it look like it's gonna pour. Well, it's been pouring, but it look like it's gonna pour even more. I'm gonna go into this parking space.
Yummy?
Okay. All right, guys, park. Let me see. Here, sir. Oh, God. I just got a Whopper.
Drink your
So
bottle.
this
Eat.
person then said, "Oh, what kind of business is that? The people them give me something. Where says they're fork in your thing?
No?
They give me poutine and no fork. What
Yeah.
is they expect me? A good thing I have fork back there. I eat with my hand. All right, guys. So we're gonna eat and then yeah, he probably wants a fry.
Yeah.
He loves the fries. So I always love when my fries are turned into a poutine. So I'm gonna eat and then we're gonna go something there. Yay! I say, Arissa, your birthday is a very gloomy day. Yeah, I say showers are blessing. Well, I'm going to eat.
You're so messy.
So, guys, I just finished eat, and boy, this is why I don't eat out as much anymore. First of all, the poutine was salty. I don't know. They salt the fries, they salt the gravy. So I gotta go. Make sure I go take some pressure pill. I drink some ginger tea when I go home. And take a Tylenol as well because I know my pressure is going to or take an aspirin. My pressure is going to like elevate. The thing was so salty, and then the burger, I ate the burger and it started making me feel sick. Like I mean sick. So I don't feel too 100 right now, and this is why I hardly eat out. If I do, pops. Yeah, if I do eat out, guys, it's usually like I'll go to like a restaurant, and even sometimes the restaurant food is not good either. So that makes me sick.
Mama.
Yeah. And this one just took a dump and stink up the car. Yeah. Nana. Is that you? Woo. Nana. Nana. Woohoo. Is that you? So yeah, we're gonna go find Miss Arissa something to put on for her birthday. Yeah. And then she's going to go home and gotta go pick up her cake, and then we have one more stop, and then she's gonna go home and go get glammed up. So let's go. Arissa, bring the umbrella. We'll see you guys inside. So we got a couple of outfits Arissa's gonna try on. These shirts are nice. I should get some. So yeah, she got a couple of outfits she's gonna try on with the shoes. So we'll let you guys see what they look like. All right, let's go to the change room, guys. Yay! Okay, so Arissa's in the change room. We're waiting for her to change, and yeah. So we're gonna see the outfits. So when she comes out, I'll show you guys and help us decide which one she should go with. So this is dress number 1. She's there laughing. Okay. No, not a birthday fit. Nah, next one. Number 2?
No, I like it.
No? Turn around. No? This is the other fit. What do you guys think? Turn, Arissa, turn. Okay, with the heels. This looks so growing. Alright. Oh, we found a winning outfit that she's going to be wearing today. So I am going to be her photographer today. I'm also going to be her hairstylist, her makeup artist, and her actual stylist as well. So I'll be everything in one. So you guys definitely gotta stay tuned for that. Yay! Yay! She's excited. So yeah, and we got her shoes to go with it as well. So you guys definitely stay tuned for the look. She's so excited. Yeah, yeah. Say hi. Say hi. So we're gonna go pick up her cake. Are you saying hi? Say hi. You say hi? Yeah. So we're gonna go pick up her cake now, and then we gotta go head home and the all-in-one Glam squad. So by the time I reach home, hopefully Faith will be finished school, and me and her will do this and knock it out. The water today. So we've reached home and I'm already set up. So I'm just going to do Arissa's hair and her makeup, and when she's done and dressed, I will come back and show you guys how it turned out. So we're gonna show you the before. We'll show you the before, and then I will also show you the after. So you guys will see the before and the after Glam squad of how she looks. So Papa, what are you doing?
Take a photo. You were standing there. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
This is the before. Stand up, let everybody see the before. So this is the before Glam up. Alright, head to toe. Yeah, and we'll come back and show you guys the after Glam up. You ready to see the final product? On your count of 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go, guys. This is Arissa. Does she look like a big woman? And we won't show the toes fully because she hasn't put on her shoes yet, but we are about to go do her photo shoot right now. So yeah, I will show you guys a part of that as well. Guys, as you can see, I am here doing her photos. Oh, there she has the shoes on. She is looking glamorous. Yes, pose, pose, pose. All right. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just having fun. This is how I get her, yeah, to actually get some photos. Yay. All right.
Picture. I'm gonna take a picture.
And this is the ending of what we're doing for Arissa's birthday photos.
Here, let me light it up so you
You know, you're gonna make cake.
move. Let me light it up.
No, it's hot. You did it.
Make a wish.
I wish.
What's
I
your
wish.
wish for?
I wish.
You're supposed to light it so she can make a wish.
You know what I wish for the little
Guys, so we're all alone home.
Okay.
Everybody's left us.
One candle, me a light if you wish. Come.
Close your eyes. Make a wish.
I hear you.
You're supposed to close your eyes.
Okay. Wait, let's wish together. Move! No! Let me wish with you. It's a good wish.
ruined my birthday. What about my candles? My
Here.
candle.
You know what? Let me do my own thing over here.
Okay,
You're making noise.
you make a wish. Blow out the candle.
My wish better come true, no?
Woo!
What I wish for?
Thank God. Oh, let there be light.
God, let there be light.
Okay. Oh God. The guys them are upset because they
burning.
left. Sorry.
Check
They
it.
left and didn't get to cut the cake.
Check it at you. Don't do.
Ew, this light made me
You
look
look pale. You look really pale.
Oh
Whoa,
guys.
whoa. Where'd you get these from?
Are
My
those mine?
AirPods.
There he goes. There he goes. Hey, Papa. Hurry up.
Cake? Yes, I want to cut.
So next month is your month. Yay! Papa, you ready? Oh gosh.
them up.
Yay! Are you ready?
Sure. You made me fall.
So these guys are on the floor eating some cake. Papa, you having cake? Yum, yum, yum. Wait. So how you go to bed tonight when you're eating all that cake?
Good luck.
So we're eating cake, guys.
My face is so
So,
shiny.
how was your birthday? How did you
My
enjoy
birthday
yourself?
was so good. Yes, I really
Yeah,
enjoyed.
today's day was mine.
Oh, okay, you end up getting the food that you wanted to eat and plus the cake.
No, because
That
I
was
was
it.
sleeping.
It was really good.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
know, I
How
mean,
does it
it's
feel
so
to be
special.
14?
It doesn't feel any different.
I know, it feels the same, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
and by the
go
way,
ahead.
guys, this is our first time of me actually, she putting on makeup on her face.
I need to get off now.
Yeah, she don't need no makeup
I don't like
anyways,
it.
but just for her birthday, I decided to do her glam and all that.
Yeah, really, yeah.
But
Stop good
that's
on the
good.
bowl.
Well, go ahead. You could go. And that's it.
Yeah.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We are about to go eat this cake.
Everything of the top of the channel.
Hmm?
Everything of the
Oh,
top
man, I
of the
think get this. Oh, yeah. He has to brush his teeth after.
Mario, turn up and stop trying to run my plate.
Whose fork is this, mine? I don't matter. I'm taking it. But anyways, yeah, the guys are gone.
Mommy, your child is annoying.
What? Yeah, it's the wipes, the makeup wipes. So you could use that, and then you use the you see the other thing in there? Then that's the foam wash. The orange bottle there, it's the cleanser. So once you use the wipe off your face, then you use the
On the
something.
sink, Rissa. It's on the sink.
But anyways, so that is it. It's just us home.
Pops, the mash up it, blast it, cake. I can't even eat my cake in
I'm not big on cake, especially when they're sweet. But this one so far is okay. Not bad. Guys, it's the only cake I could find. Arissa didn't really want to do nothing for her birthday.
I don't think we ever really want to.
No, I think when they're more like
No, Jamaica.
in the island, then they more want to go out.
No, my son goes to work.
Yeah, like go to the beach or river and stuff like that when they're home. But like here, they don't really want to do
Oh, you don't want
nothing.
no more? You speak just like.
So we are going to eat, and then yeah, and everything is cleaned back up as to do. And I would try either inserting some of the pictures them in here so you guys could see what they look like, or you guys will just probably see them on my socials anyways. They would have been probably posted for those that's been looking on
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. You go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. You go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
on there, and yeah, it's just my ink or my pen. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yeah, let me know what part of the video was your favorite part. And I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys. Bye, Mario.
Scream.
You